In the future, instead of replacing a missing tooth with an implant, your dentist may help your own body grow or repair dental tissues naturally. Sounds unbelievable, right? One of my followers recently asked me, Ma'am, I saw news about the South Korean tooth regeneration patch. Is it really true? I love this question because many viral videos are mixing two different technologies. One is from Japan and the other is being discussed as the South Korean patch. But both are not exactly the same. Japan is mainly working on growing a new tooth, while the patch concept is mainly connected with the repairing damaged tooth tissue. Let me explain. Japan's research is based on a protein called USAG1, one of the body's natural brakes for tooth development. जब हमारे परमानेंट टीथ बन जाते हैं तो USAG1 जैसे प्रोटीन बॉडी को सिग्नल देते हैं कि अब नए दांत बनने की प्रक्रिया रुक जाए. Japanese researchers are developing an investigational medicine known as TRGO35. This TRGO35 injection tries to block USAG1 so that the body tooth forming pathway may restart in selected cases. That is why Japan's approach is closer to the idea of growing a new tooth. Now let's talk about the South Korean patch. These are tiny microscopic needles, not invasive, designed to regenerate dental tissues. One important molecule linked with this type of research is tidoglosib. Tidoglosib works on inhibiting an enzyme called GSK3. और ये GSK3 हमारे सेल के अंदर एक एंजाइम है जो सेल सिग्नलिंग और रिपेयर प्रोसेस को कंट्रोल करता है. जब GSK3 को टेम्पररी ब्लॉक किया जाता है तो एक केमिकल कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम एक्टिवेट होता है and it tells our cells when to grow, divide, and organize into tissues. And this helps stem cells to repair decayed tooth. So the patch concept is more about repairing the existing damaged tooth. Think of it like this. Japan is trying to build a new house and the patch concept is trying to repair and strengthen the old house. Both are exciting. Both belong to regenerative dentistry, but they are solving different problems. So when asked which one is better, honestly, we cannot say yet. We'll know only after strong human clinical trials are completed. Japan's injection approach is currently further ahead in human testing, while South Korea is exploring a promising regenerative delivery system, but it still needs stronger human evidence. Now question, should we wait for these technologies instead of getting an implant? My answer is no. Today, dental implants, bridges, and dentures are still the standard scientifically proven treatments for missing teeth. These new technologies are the future, not today's routine treatment. But until that future arrives, please take care of the teeth you already have. The future of dentistry may be regeneration, but today your natural teeth are priceless. I'm Dr. Manisha Sinha and this is Danta, where every smile is guided by science.